it's Julie. So today I went to the kitchen and opened the fridge, and I noticed that there were no food, and then I had a great idea. Then I just picked up these boxes that didn't have so many food, but still. Then I just put it in this trash, and it was so disgusting, the box of eggs. Then I put some fresh vegetables, and then put some strawberries and, sweet fruits. Then I put some waffles with some healthy milk. And last, I put some ice, and I was very happy. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye everyone!